Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop: how to create stock exchange promotion design with custom shapes. We create a scare artboard for social media ads. Now we add a subtle grid textures in the background. Next we active the custom shape tool and choose candlestick shapes. Here we arrange candles to mimic real stock shots. Then we lock proportions to maintain financial accuracy. After that, we overlay a diagonal shape for dynamic flow. Now we apply gradient overlays to suggest volatility. Next, we add headline text stock market alert. Then we place text inside a rounded rectangle shape. Thanks for watching.